the country, in any village, any the cities, anywhere you can go, you can observe this plant. So as the drug is very easily available and it is abundantly available, so there is no need to spend a more amount, more money to purchase this plant. You will get anywhere. So you collect this plant with the useful part, that is the tuberous part. So you can wash it cleanly and you can dry it in the shade and make a powder. You can keep it in a container. So wherever the conditions like Atisara conditions, you do the quata of this musta, or in case of the jwara, like the Shatanga Paniya you are going to prepare. So in such the preparations you can prepare and you can ask the person to take, see the result. So definitely you will get belief in the Ayurveda. Okay, so if you want to know about the efficacy of any Ayurvedic drug, just you can go through this plant. Okay, you will get. So this is the plant Musta. So this is what you are observing in the slide. Musta plant available. Okay, so this is the useful part, what you are observing here. This is the useful part of Musta. Yes. So regarding the basonym of Musta, Muste Sanghate Jayate iti Musta. Muste Sanghate Jayate iti Musta. See the previous slide. Musta Sanghate Jayate. What it means, Sanghate? It's the plants which grows gregarious in nature. The plants which grows gregariously means the cluster, plenty of the plants which looks like a bushy like, that is gregarious in nature. Sanghate we used to define like gulma, that is ekamula sanghata jata. Sanghata means many of the branches. It looks like many of the branches, but inside if you see the plant, that is from the single node or the root, from that root they used to grow plenty of the plants you can observe. Just I will show one more the slide why they used to call it as sanghata. Yes, in this slide you can observe. So this is the mother, the plant you can say, or primary shoot. So from this shoot you can observe there is another plant here, and there is another plant is growing here. There are 2-3 plants. Okay, it's continuous. So from the single root many branches. Sanghata. Okay, I will show here also you can observe. So if it is possible you can observe here. So this is the primary plant. This is the primary plant, primary shoot. So from this shoot, so there is the rhizome. So this part you used to call it as tuber, not in the rhizome. There is underground modification of stems. There are actually 4 types of underground modifications are there. One is like rhizome, corm, bulb, and tubers. Okay, there are 4 underground modification of stem. So stem, as you all know, main function of stem is supporting and transportation of the food or the nutrient part. Apart from this the normal function, the stem is going to modify to perform some special functions like the storage of food, and supportive part. So for that purpose, stem is going to modify. So here the stem is going to modify, that is underground, just below the earth. So there the stem is going to modify and forms the tubers. The best example, I think you are very well with, like the potato, Solanum potatorum. So that is for the purpose of storage of food purpose. It is going to modified. So because of this character, they used to say sanghata jayate. Okay, so because of this character, they used to call it sanghata jayate. See the basonym once again. Muste sanghate jayate iti musta. The plants which grows gregariously with the clustered tubers. With clustered tubers. I will show some more pictures about to understand the basonym. Okay. Muste sanghate jayate iti musta. The plants one which grows gregariously with the clustered tubers. That is called as musta. The botanical name is Cyperus rotundus. Cyperus rotundus. Rotundus means like round, somewhat round shaped. The tubers, the tubers will be somewhat round shaped, cylindric tube, that is round shaped tubers, and belongs to the family Cyperaceae family. So among the Cyperaceae family, this is the only one drug. In the detailed drug, this is the only one drug which is belongs to the Cyperaceae family. Next, vernacular names in Hindi it is called motha. In Hindi it is called motha. In English it is called nut grass. Nut grass. That is thruna. Kannadadalli in Sahityika Bhashe, they used to say Konnari Gadde, but whereas Adu Bhashe, the local language, they used to say Jekina Gadde, Jeku, or Jekina Gadde. It is a weed which it is very commonly grown in the waste places. In waste places, and even the cultivated area also, it is abundantly grown. Okay, Konnari Gadde, that is Sahityika Bhashe. In the local names, they used to call it as Jekina Gadde, Mota, Nutgrass, or Konnari Gadde. So we'll see under which Mahakashaya is mentioned by Acharya Charaka. So Lekhaniya Mahakashaya, Truptigna Mahakashaya, Kandugna Mahakashaya, Stanya Shodhana Mahakashaya, Trushna Nigrahana Mahakashaya. So there are 5 Mahakashayas Acharya Charaka has mentioned. And even Sushruta has mentioned, he has given the name of the Gana itself, that is Mustadi Gana. So what it shows, the importance of this drug. So how much it is beneficial, as the drug is very commonly available and it is abundantly available and is most effective. Okay, so Acharya Charaka says, Musta Deepaniya Pachaniya Sangrahika Tridosha Haranam, Tridosha Haranam, Tridosha Shamakatvat. So it does Deepana, Pachana, Sangrahi, and Tridosha Shamaka properties. Okay, so it is most valuable drug. You can commonly use. Okay, so Acharya Charaka mentioned under 5 Mahakashayas. Sushruta has mentioned, has given the name of the Gana itself, that is Mustadi Gana and Vachadi Gana. Okay, we'll see one by one. According to Charaka, so Lekhaniya. So many times we have discussed Lekhaniya Mahakashaya. Okay, according to Sharangadhara, so Lekhaniya, that is Dhatun Malan Vadehasya. Dhatun Malan Vadehasya. Vishoshayet Lekayet Lekhanam Tadyata Kshaudram Niramushnam Vachayavaha. Okay, Dhatun Malan Vadehasya. Vishoshayet Lekayet Lekhanam Tadyata Kshaudram Niramushnam Vacha Yavaha. So one which removes, one which does the shoshana of what? Dhatun Malan Vadehasya. So the doshas or dhatus, malas. So whatever the vitiated doshas are, vitiated dhatus are there, they used to do the shoshana. Dhatun Malan Vadehasya Vishoshayet. Vishoshana. That is doing the shoshana of the dhatus, vitiated dhatus, vitiated malas. And one which expel it out, one which scrapes it out, one which removes. That is Lekhanam Patalikaranam. The commentator of Sushruta Samhita, Dallana, used to say Lekhanam Patalikaranam. Lekhanam Kafamedaso. Specifically, they used to act on the vitiated Kapha dosha and Medavasrotas, Medavasrota vikaras. Lekhanam Patalikaranam. Patala. When you consume this plant, these preparations, the person makes him to thin or lean. Lekhanam Patalikaranam. Lekhanam Kafamedaso. So we'll get in Sushruta Samhita. So Sharangadhara, Dhatun Malan Vadehasya Vishoshayet Lekhanam. Lekhanam Tadyata Kshaudram, Neeram, Ushnam, Vachayavaha. The best Lekaniya Dravyas, as you all know, Madhudaka, Neeram, Ushnam, that is Ushna Jala. Even Ushna Jala, Neeram, Ushnam, Kshaudram, the honey, Madhu, Neeram, Ushnam, Kshaudram, Vacha, Yavaha. Vacha, Ecoras Calamus, Yava, Herdem, Olgere. So, Yava, Vacha, Kshaudra, Niramushnam. The simple, the Ushna Jala is going to cause, does Medodhatu Shoshana Karma, the continuous usage of Ushna Jala, and even the Kshaudra, the single drug. Even you can use only the honey, or in case of Staulya, they used to give like Madhudaka, that is Ushna Jala, Jala with the what, Madhudaka, and Vacha, Ecaros Calamus, and this one Yava, Hordem Olgere, Jave Godi. So these are the best, like Ahara Dravya, Aushadha Dravya, as he used to mention, as the best Lekaniya Dravyas, according to Sharangadhara. Like in the Lekaniya Mahakashaya, the first drug he used to mention Musta. Okay? Musta, Kushta, Haridra, Daru Haridra, Vacha, Ativisha, Katurohini, Chitraka, Cherabilva, Haimavati iti dashamani, Lekaniyani bhavanti. See the importance of Musta under Lekaniya Mahakashaya. The first drug is Musta in so many conditions. So in Charaka Chikitsa Sthana, 3rd chapter, that is in Jwaradikara, Acharya Charaka, there are so many preparations he used to mention to treat the Jwaras. Like Shadanga Pani, he used to explain, like there are so many, the churnas or the preparations which are prepared by using the Musta. We used to explain in Jwara Chikitsa. Okay, even Kashyapa, Yogaratnakara, Chakrapani. So almost all acharyas, they have explained in detail about this Musta in the Jwara Prakarana and also in case of the Atisara Prakarana. Okay, so this is about the Lekaniya Mahakashaya. So next we'll move to the Truptigna Mahakashaya. So Truptigna. So Trupti means that is the person is unable to take more food when he feels Trupti. When he used to feel Trupti, so further he will not consume any food. So there are some conditions. So this is Trupti is a one of the Kafaja Vyadi. It is a Kafaja Nanatmaja Vyadi, where the person, the Amasha is filled with the Kafa, that is especially in the form of Drava. That is Gunataha, that is Dravyataha Ruddhi of the Kafa in the Amashaya. So because of this Dravyataha and Gunataha Ruddhi of the Kafa in the Amashaya, where the person becomes Annadveshi, where the person becomes Annadveshi, he will not consume, he will not take to food for 1 day or 2 days. If he used to see the food, so he used to do the dvesh of that ahara, anna. That's why they used to call it anna dveshi. He used to, if he observe the food, he may feel like somewhat the vomiting sensation, nausea. If he see the food, that is we used to call it the trupti. So there are some the drugs which does the shamana of that trupti. That is called truptigna. So the truptigna dravyas are usually having kafashamaka, ushnavirya, ruksha gunatmaka dravyas. So because of the ruksha guna, which does the shoshana of the kafa or the shleshma which is present in the amashaya, and because of its ushnavirya, which enhances the jataragni. So because of this ushnavirya, because of this ruksha guna, which does the shamana of the trupti. Okay, so the commentator of Charaka Samhita, that is Gangadhara, used to use truptihi shleshma vikaro eva truptimevanam manyate tadagnam truptignam. The drugs one which does the shamana of the shleshma vikara, does the shamana of the dravyataha gunataha ruddhi of the kafa, because of its ruksha guna ushnavirya, which does the shoshana of the the kapha which is present in the amashaya. So by that, the person is able to, even the Chakrapani, he used to say for Arochaka, for this Truptigna, they used to given the name as Arochaka. Sorry, in the Yogendrath Sen has given the term for Trupti is Arochaka. He is not able to take consumes. Okay, in the practice, you may come across with so many times the person, the patients may complain that, so I am unable to take foods. Even if I see the food, I am having the vomiting sensation, even though I am not taking since the last 2 to 3 days. Like that, they used to complain. Some people says, I am hungry, but I am unable to take. And some people says, Bhakta Dveshi. Even though I am hungry, that is, even though I am not taking the food for last 2 to 3 days, but still my stomach is empty, and that is it is filled with somewhat the food. Like that, they used to feel. So that is called as Truptigna Dravyas. Okay. So the drugs are Kafashamaka, Ushnavirya, Rukshagunatmaka Dravyas. They are useful in treating the Trupti. So please go through the Roganidana. So there will, in so many the conditions, so many the diseases, one of the Lakshana is Trupti. One of the Lakshana is Trupti. So what are the drugs? How you have to remember these Truptigna Dravyas? So it's very easy. You can remember the Truptigna Mahakashaya Dravyas. So if you know the Panchakola, that is Pippali, Pippali Mula, Chavya, Chitraka, Nagaraihi, Panchabihi, Kola Matram, Panchabihi, Kola Matram. If you take these drugs in Kola Pramana, that we used to call as Panchakola. Okay. So Pippali, Pippali Mula, Chavya, Chitraka, Nagara. So among these 5 drugs, you remove the Pippali Mula. So there are only 4 drugs: Pippali, Chavya, Chitraka, and Nagara. Okay. So Pippali, Chavya, Chitraka, Nagara. And please recollect Trimada. What are Trimada? Vidangha, Mustha, Chitraka. Vidangha, Mustha, Chitraka. Okay. The combination of these 3 drugs are called as Trimada. Vidangha, Mustha. So already Chitraka comes in Panchakola. So Mustha and this Vidanga are there. Mustha and Vidanga. So it becomes 6 drugs. Okay. So Pippali, Chavya, Chitraka, Nagara, Mustha, Vidanga. And 2 Tiktrasatmaka Dravyas are there. One is Guduchi and another one is Patola. Guduchi and Patola. And another 2 drugs like Vacha and Murva. Vacha and Murva. So at least if you remember, easily you can remember 8 drugs. Easily you can remember 8 drugs. Okay. So Panchakoladalli 4 drugs except Pippali Mula. Okay. Pippali, Chavya, Chitraka, Nagara. And among Trimada, Mustha and Vidanga. And the 2 Tiktrasatmaka Dravyas, Guduchi, Patola. Then Mustha and Murva. So these are the 10 drugs how you can remember about the Truptigna Dravyas. Okay. And also Kandugna Dravyas, so many times we have discussed. Kandum Hantiti, Kandugnam. The drugs one which cures the Kandu. So like Chandana, Nalada, Krutamala, Naktamala, Nimbha, Kutaja, Sarshapa, Madukha, Musta, Daru Haridra, iti Dashamani, Kandugnani Bhavanti. So many times we have discussed. Okay. So Kandu is one of the Kafaja Vyadi, Kafaja Vikara. So which takes ashraya in the Tvacha, skin. So these Kandugna Dravyas are Kafashamaka and Tvacha. So the drugs like Tiktrasatmaka Dravyas, like Chandana, Nalada, that is synonym of Jatamamsi. Not a is Jatamamsi. Chandana, Nalada, Krutamala. As you all know, Krutamala is a synonym of Aragbada, based on the inflorescence. Naktamala. Naktamala is a synonym of Karanja. Then, as you all know, that is Nimbha. Best one of the Kushtagna Dravya, Kandugna Dravya. Okay. Nimbha, Kutaja is Valera Antidysenterica. Sarshapa. Even Sarshapa, that is Sarshapa Taila. which is having Tikshna Guna. So because of this Tikshna Guna, which it does the Kapha Shamana, and also it removes the Kandu. Okay, so Kutaja, Sarshapa, then Madhuka, Musta, Darohridra. So these are the 10 drugs which are useful in case of to treat the conditions like Kandu. Okay. There are two Mahakashayas, Stanya Shodhana and Trishna Nigrahana. We'll discuss in another context. So see the Trishna Nigrahana Mahakashaya. So because the Musta drugs, as you are, I think you have prepared in the Shadanga Paniya, that is Musta, Parpata, Ushira, Chandana, Udicha, Nagaraihi. There are 6 types of drugs, 6 drugs. Musta, Parpata, Ushira, Chandana, Udicha, Nagara. So combination of these 6 drugs. Okay. So you can prepare the Paniya Kalpanas, which is indicated in case of Pitta Jajvara associated with the Trishna. So which does Amapachana and also does the Shamana of the, which controls the Trishna. Okay. So that we'll discuss in another context. Stanya Shodhana and Trishna Nigrahana while describing another drug. So Lekaniya Mahakashaya, Truptigna Mahakashaya, Kandugna Mahakashaya. Next we'll move to the synonyms of Musta. So based on the availability, so most of the synonyms, there are 5-6 synonyms are based on the availability itself. Okay. So Gangheyi. So Gangaya Sthata Vartir Pradesheshu Bhava. Gangeyi. Gangaya Sthata Varti Pradesheshu Bhava. The plant which grows in the banks of the rivers, like Ganga Nadi Tira. So in that particular area, the plant will be abundantly available. The plant will be abundantly available in this particular area. Gangeyi. Gangaya Stata Varti Pradesheshu Bhava. The plant one which grows gregariously in the banks of the rivers. That is called as Gangeyi. Kachotha. Another synonym based on the availability. Kacheshu Jalaprayi Bhumisho Jayate iti. So Kachotha. That is Kacheshu Jalapraya Bhumishu Jayate. The plants one which grows in Jalapraya Bhumi, means the soil is saturated with water. The soil is saturated with water. In that particular area, the plant will be grown abundantly. It is based on the availability. Pracham, Prachibavaha. So based on the areas, there are 2 synonyms, Pracham and Kurvindaha. So the plants one which grows in the northern eastern part of India. Northern eastern part of India, or you can say North India. Pracham Kurvindaha, where especially the rainfall will be more, and almost even in the summer season there will be the rain will, that is the water will be more, where the area the water will be availability of water will be more. In that type of particular area, the plants will grow. So based on that, they used to use the 2 synonyms, Pracham and Kurvindaha. The plants one which grows in the northern eastern part of India. Okay. And Varidha Namakam. See the name, Varidha Namakam. Vari means Jala. So the names of Jala can be given to this plant. See, Ambodaha, Ganaha, Varida Ityadi, Megha Paraka Namanyashaha. Megha Paraka Namanyashaha. Varidha Namakam. Names of Vari or Jala, all names can be given to this plant also. Whatever the names which are given to the Jala, so all those names can be given to this plant, they used to say. Like Ambodaha, Ganaha, Varida Ityadi, Megha Paraka Namanyashaha. So as you all know, Ambu is a synonym of Jala, Ambodaha, Ganaha. Even Gana is a synonym for Jala. Vari is a synonym of Jala. Ityadi. So whatever the names which are present for the names of that is Jala, so all those names can be given to this plant. Megha Paraka Namanyashaha. All the names, whatever the name which are given to the synonym for Jala, so all these names can be given to this plant. Okay. Varidha Namakam. And Rajakasheruka. So this is how they used to compare this plant. The Musta is as like that of Kasheruka. So Kasheruka is one of the non-detailed drug. So which resembles as like that of Kasheruka plant. They are comparing here. based on the morphology. Based on the morphology, Raja Kasheruka, the plant Musta, which resembles or which looks like the Kasheruka plant. Okay. Then Grantila, the tuberous part, the Granthi Rupa, that the tuber is, it is somewhat nodular. The tuber is nodular. Because of this, they used to give the synonym as a Grantila. Sugandhi. So this is all because of useful part. Sugandhi, that nodular part which is having aromatic in nature. Shobhana Gandha Yuktaha. When you break that the nodular part, you can see take the odor. It is having aromatic in nature. Okay, so Grantila, based on the useful part, based on its aromatic nature, Sugandhi. Krodeshtha, Kridhanam, Varahanam, Ishta, Priyaha. It is liked by pigs. It is liked by pigs. Krodeshtha. Okay, so based on the availability, that is Gangheyi, Kachota, Prachyam, Kurubinda. Gangheyi, Kachota, Prachyam, Kurubinda, and Varidhanamaka. So 5 synonyms, as it prefers marshy area. Okay, then Raja Kasheruka, based on the resemblance, based on the morphology, that is a useful part, Grantila, and its aromatic nature, Sugandhi, and is liked by the pigs, that is Krodeshta. So this is about the morphology of Musta. So this is the plant Swarupa, you can observe. So it is it's an erect herb. It is an erect herb, approximately around about 30 centimeter, approximately, which grows about 30 centimeter in length. But there is another variety called Nagara Musta, which grows on the banks of the rivers or in ponds. Ponds are in the rivers, or in the banks of the rivers. So there it is approximately about 1 to 2 feet height. Especially in ponds, it is bigger in size. But in the soil, in the normal land or in the wastelands, you can observe which grows about 30 centimeter, approximately 30 centimeter. So this is a primary shoot. You can observe here. This is called primary shoot. So here in this branch, you can observe these are called the secondary shoots. So externally, it looks like they are separate plants. When you see on the land externally, so these plants are separate, but internally they have interlinked. Internally they are interlinked. So these are the secondary shoots. This is the above aerial. That is above the ground. So this is, but in the ground, in the soil, it is there interlinked. Okay. So this part is called the stolon. This part is called stolon. Okay. This is called the secondary shoots. These are called secondary shoots. They used to grow another the branch, another plant. So here in this picture, you can clearly observe. So like the primary shoot. So this is called the stolon. And actually here it is not clear about the node. I will show another picture. So how you are getting in the ground.